Okay, so to get PowerPoint, what you're going to do is you're going to go to office.com, and when you get into Office, you're going to sign in using your T-Wolves and your Brightspace username and password. And it's the same place where you did your multi-factor authentication. When you log in, on the right-hand side, you're going to go to Install More, or Install More, and you're going to click on the Install Microsoft Office 365 apps. You want to make sure you go through the steps to download. Once you download it and you get it on your computer, you're going to come down to the search bar on your computer, and you're going to search for the software that you want. So it's either Word or PowerPoint or Excel or Access. So in this case, I'm going to look for PowerPoint, and when the app pops up, you're going to click on it, and that's going to use the downloaded software that has all the tools associated with that software. So it doesn't matter which software you pull, whether it's, like I said, PowerPoint, Word, Excel, or Access. Okay? And whenever you open one up, you're going to start with a blank presentation, Word file, whatever, to get started. Okay?